What's up, busy people? So for those of you that connected your CBB account to your Facebook Messenger, I'm assuming that yours is working smoothly. 99% of the time it should work, okay? But for most of you it's working smoothly, okay? But if in case your chatbot is not working on your Facebook Messenger, there's one thing you might want to try, okay, to see if that can solve the problem. So that's the purpose of this video, okay? So it's something called Handover, okay? So depending on the settings in your Facebook page, sometimes you may need to do that. A lot of times you don't have to, but sometimes you may need to do that to get the chatbot working well on Facebook Messenger. All right, so go over to the page where you have the bot connected to, okay? You just want to go to that page. Let me just use this one right here. All right, and then you wanna, if you're not yet on that page itself, make sure you switch, because without switching you cannot make you cannot change the settings, okay? So you want to click to switch, and then you want to switch. That's how Facebook have it set up. But if you're already on your page, you may not have to do that, but if not, you have to switch so you can do some settings, okay? So after you switch over to your page, go over to the right hand side where it has that screwdriver thing, right there. Just click right there, manage. All right, and then on the left hand side you want to look for where it says page access. Okay, so at the time of these videos, this is what you need to do. Facebook just loves moving things around, so maybe that at the time you're watching this video, Facebook have moved it somewhere else, but hopefully it's at the same place. So follow along. The next one you want to do is click on where it says advanced messaging. All right, and then over here you can see the apps that are connected to the page. All right, you notice chatbot builder is connected to this same page, and then I have ManyChat connected. But I want you to pay attention to this part over here, okay, where it says app setting. Okay, you see here it says messenger receiver, right? Says manage the features each app can access or control. Okay, but pay attention to this place where it says messenger receiver, and then click configure. Okay, and then this little window pops up, and then click select, and then make sure you choose chatbot builder, okay, because that's platform where the bot you're using is built. All right, so check this one out, and then you can just click away. All right, I don't know why they didn't add a save button, but that's Facebook. Once you check chatbot builder right here, you could just click away and that will be saved. Okay, and this is one of the things you can do in case your bot is not working on Facebook Messenger. Hopefully this will solve the problem. If you're still having problems, send me an email and I'll see what I can do to help you out. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.